mouth is going, trying to get stuff.
There we go. I gotta rip this up.
The bug. Hi, this is Felicia with Leash K9 Training, Wilmington, and I am here with Oliver. He is a 5.5-month-old golden retriever that's here for our 2-week board and train program. So, Oliver's mom's summer main concern is that he ingests a lot of things. He's constantly eating grass, eating things off the ground, to a point where it tears up her yard, other people's yards. He just grabs grass, tears it up, eats it. Besides just all basic obedience. So we're just going to try to give him something more to do than chew up grass. So just want to go over some of his obedience and get a baseline for that and check back with you in 2 weeks. So, Oliver, sit. Good boy. Come here. Break, break. Break. Oliver, sit. Good, sit. Yes. Okay, now to stabilize. Sit. I see that. Okay. Oliver. Down. And he's eating the grass. No, no, no. No, no, no. Come on, buddy. Yeah. So, I'll see if we can do down without eating the grass. Down. Not my hand. No. Okay. Little mouther. You know, typical puppy behavior, but we just want to start getting a handle on that. Giving him some respect and some manners. Down. Good boy. Good down. Okay, now to stabilize down. That's okay. Oliver, come. Oliver, come. Come. He wants to find a stick over there. I really don't want him eating that. Oliver, come. Drop it. Drop it. Okay, that's an important command. Drop it. Okay. Leash manners. Oliver, heel. Okay, no knowledge of that command, so that's all right. Come here, Oliver. Come here. Sit. Oh, you want to go on there. That's fun. See? Good job. Everyone's liking that cot today. They are comfortable. Oh, okay, not a place command that he knows of. So we have some work to do and really want to work on his ingestion issue and drop it commands, because that's going to be important for a golden. They like to put things in their mouths. We understand that. So come on, Oliver. We got a lot of work to do. Let's go.